Hello, my name is Nathan Diaz, Silvermaster Technician here at Porsche Austin, servicing your 2016 GT3 RS today. Today we came in for a few concerns. Our first concern is for our front axle. It dips down excessively on the right side. We have a quote for an original exhaust system. One of our rear tires loses air. Our oil level is above maximum, and our headlights seem dull at night, and we can be seen delaminating. So today we're going to go ahead and go over our multi-point inspection and provide you with all of today's recommendations. Starting off with having a look here at the front. We did have our vehicle on our 6th floor. We had our front axle lift up for an extended amount of time. We didn't notice the front dipping. It also, during our test drive, had turned this front axle lift on at our low speeds, near speed bumps, to see if we can get the vehicle to end up dropping our fender height. Unfortunately, we were not able to replicate this concern. We let the vehicle sit here on our bay for about an hour and 10 minutes. And measuring the distance from the ground to the fender, we found no difference in that situation. So we went ahead and picked the vehicle up. Wanted to get our eyes on the actual strut here, see if this line would be leaking. Just going to be that line throughout here. We can see that there are no leaks. Our knuckle here is dry. The control arm has no oil building up down here. And we can see that as compared to our left side, where it is dry here as well. There's also no fault stored relating to our front axle lift. Here in our fault memory, you can see here, at one point the vehicle battery was left unplugged, and that's why we have lost communication with some of our items here. But we can see there are no faults related to our front axle. We've also gone ahead and quoted out an original exhaust system with clamps, as the last dealer has not provided us with the OEM clamps or OEM exhaust. We went ahead and also checked over both of our rear tires for leaks. Went over these looking for punctures, sprayed down our inner barrels here on both sides. We don't have any leaks on our rear tires. Our tire pressure actually is set front and rear, and it's matching side to side. So at this time, we were not able to find any leaks in our rear tires. Our next concern relates to our oil level above maximum warning. Today we've also gone ahead and quoted you for 2 quotes to get this taken care of, for setting just the oil life, and then one for performing the actual oil change and correctly setting it. That way our oil change is taken care of and we're free for another 10,000 miles, 365 days. Our oil change right now will be due in 6,000 miles or 1024. We've also got our headlights here on order. We can see those housings are beginning to fog up a little bit in this angle right here. But wanted to inform you that our headlights are on the way. Going over our tires dated from 2021, measuring 5 millimeters at all 4 corners. Our tires are in good condition. They don't show any signs of actual track usage. Our brakes, 6+ millimeters in measurement, plenty of life left in these guys. Good distance away from our sensors as well. So look at the rear. Also today, you will be seeing a quote for a state inspection. We do know this car was bought out of state, so to have it registered here in Texas, we'll need to perform a state inspection that will be valid for your registration. So I went ahead and quoted that for you today. And that will be completing our multi-point inspection. Our vehicle is in tip-top shape, and today we provided you with a few recommendations for your concerns. Thank you for choosing and trusting Porsche Austin to service your vehicle today.